Alright guys, so the top of this Corvette does come off, but first you'll want to open all the doors. Open all the doors, including the rear end. You'll have to open this rear end too as well, guys. So I will open that right now by double clicking this. That will open. And this is where you'll be putting the top of the Corvette right back here. And it will lock into these right here. And also it does have some things down here that the bottom will lock into as well. So going back inside, to take the top off, you'll have to open these levers right here, okay guys? But first, you'll want to open the one in the rear. So to open this one, you will push this button right here, guys. And this should lift forward like that. And then coming to these in the front, you'll just want to pull these all the way across like so. And then you'll want to come back outside. And me personally, I like to start from the side and then put my hand in the front and then lift up the back. Guys, it does click in, so you guys want to push it in. There we go. Once you hear that click, guys, you're all good and you're safe. Close this top down. It won't close, and just like that, the top is done. YouTube, that is the end of today's video. Comment down below if this tutorial helped you guys out. And if you guys would like more tutorials from GlobalRell, man, just leave a comment down below on which tutorials you guys want to see. Without further ado, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gone.
On a mission, running to them M's still. City full of hate like damn, what's the deal? Just trying to stack the guap and stay out the way. But you know that ain't the case. Cooler when it ain't safe. In the dark, I'm feeling a little mad today, so watch what you say. Or I might catch a case like Venus grad case. Hey, now come here.